Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, our today's topic is application. This is our lecture number 13 and SW number 10. So dear students, here you will get the SW which you have to submit after the Eid vacation. Okay. Now please follow the board. Look dear students, you will get two applications in your half yearly term. Look, first one is an application to your headmaster for RTC, and then second number application is about an application to the headmaster for early leave. Okay. So dear students, you will get two compositions in your half yearly term. Look here, what are they? They are, first one is importance of reading newspaper, and the second number is about duties of a student. Okay, I am repeating, importance of reading newspaper, and second one is about duties of a student. And your SW is you have to do composition duties of a student. Okay, you have to write this as your SW. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about this application, an application to the headmaster for early leave. Dear students, before starting this class, I am going to say that you will get these answers, that means this application and these two compositions from your Advanced Learner Communicative English book. Okay, so you can follow that book too. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this application. I think all of us know that at first we have to write date. Okay, 12 March 2021, you can write like this way. Then this application we are going to write to your headmaster. So here you have to write the headmaster. Okay, the headmaster. Then you have to write your school name, National Ideal English Version School, Dhaka. Then subject is what? For early leave. Okay, look, sir, I beg most respectfully to state that I am quite unable to stay in the classroom any longer because I am attacked with cold and fever. May I therefore request you to grant me leave of absence for the remaining periods and oblige thereby. Okay dear students, then you can write I remain sir, your most obedient pupil, Asif Hassan. Like this way you can write your information. Okay. So dear students, look here, I am repeating this sir, I beg most respectfully to state that I am quite unable to stay in the classroom any longer because I am attacked with cold and fever. May I therefore request you to grant me leave of absence for the remaining periods and oblige thereby. Okay, like this way you have to write your application. So dear students, you can follow your book, you will get these answers from your book too. Advanced Learners Communicative English book, and you have to submit this composition duties of student as your SW after vacation, Eid vacation. So dear students, I hope you have understood up to this topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.